Welcome to Kognalli checkpost of Belagavi district at Karnataka-Maharashtra border. The checkpost is set up by Nippani police of Belagavi district for regulating the people movement during the crisis times of COVID-19 pandemic. The checkpost works in the three phases. At the first phase, our policeman stops all the passenger vehicles in line at parking 1 on the bridge of River Dudhganga and check for the valid passes that are issued by Government of Karnataka under Seva Sindhu application. No goods vehicles are disturbed in the process. The vehicles without the valid passes are sent back, whereas the vehicles with the valid passes are lined up at parking 2 in order to prevent the crowding at the second phase of the checkpost. Once the second phase is clear, the vehicles are allowed to move from the parking 2. At the phase 2, all the vehicles are parked in the parking area 3. The travellers will go to the medical screening camp set up by the district administration to undergo medical screening. Here, there is a separate counter for each district and the traveller will go to the respective district counters. Each district counters consists of a medical team, a revenue team and a police team. The travellers will first go to the medical screening to check for any symptoms of the COVID-19 using thermal scanners and pulse oximeter. If no symptoms are found, then institutional quarantine seal is put on the hands of the traveller. Later, the revenue department once again verify the pass and collect all the data of the travellers in contact tracing app in order to track them down and to put them under institutional quarantine at their destination district. The revenue department gives a token to the traveller to collect the police pass at the police counter. At the police counter, the policeman issues the police pass that consists of vehicles and pass details after verifying the token issued by the revenue department at the medical screening camp. At the exit of the parking, once again policeman checks for the police pass and the same is pasted on the vehicles of the respective travellers. This system is placed in order to prevent any person from missing the administration radar. At the phase 3, the vehicles that are cleared in the phase 2 are lined up according to their destination district. Meanwhile, again the passenger details, vehicles details are collected by the police and the details are sent to the respective police control room once in 2 hours in order to track them down. Once the vehicles are lined up, they are escorted to their respective district by a nodal officer appointed by a revenue department. We could do all this because of the immense support by our IG Northern Range, Shri Raghavendra Suhas IPS, SP Belagavi, Shri Lakshman Nimbargi IPS and Additional SP, Shri Amarnath Reddy.